Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find my phone, which is at the top of the list. Now let's scroll and tap on build number, which is right here. As you can see, it is highlighted in this section. And all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we can tap on the developer options, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the USB audio routing, we can show view updates, we can change the animations, we can manage the networking, so the Bluetooth, the USB and Wi-Fi options, etc. So we've got a lot of options to customize, and basically managing them works the same just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on something, just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. The same situation if you want to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you want to turn off the developer options completely, just tap on this switcher, which is at the top and it is pinned to the top of the screen. So tap on it, and as you can see, immediately most of the options, because not all, but most of them will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, they will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.